Hello traders, welcome once again to a new video by FlashTrade 1. So today in this video we are going to show you that how you can install an indicator onto your system. So first of all you need to go to your MT4 account and open it. As you can see here, you click on this file arrow, as you can see over here. In that you will see this option, so you go to the open data folder. So as you click on open data folder, you will see this kind of screen. So here you need to go to MQL4, and then into MQL4 you need to go to the indicators. So here is where all your indicators should be there for you. So now you have to go to the folder where you have put the indicator that you want to install. So here I will show you. Here it is. Sorry. So here is the indicator, daily profit counter, that will show you regular profit, means daily how much profit that you are earning by the week and by monthly, and everything will be shown by this indicator. So I will copy this indicator currently. So after copying this, you just need to paste it in this indicator folder, and this will be in your MetaTrader. So after coming back to the MetaTrader, you just need to right click onto it, indicator, and press refresh. So it will be shown over here. So here, as you can see, daily profit counter, here it is. So if I drag and drop it down onto the chart, it will be applied. So it will show something like this. So in common, you need to verify that allow external expert imports and allow DLL imports are being ticked. Apart from that, this inputs, if you put -160, that means it will be into the top right corner of your chart, and I don't want to change that for a while. And this width and style you can change as per your selection, and the visualization will be in every chart because we want it in every chart, so it will be in every chart. And just press OK, and here it is. So today's profit, it is showing the current, how much loss it is going is showing due to some display setting haven't been done properly. It is showing like this, otherwise it will be broader and it will be clearer. But this is just a demonstration to how to install an indicator. And here as you can see in this indicator, you can see up to 5 days of trades and how much profit that you have gained, the weekly profit and the monthly profit as well, from when you have applied this indicator. So from now onwards it will start counting the profit and everything as per the dates. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like our videos, you can press the bell icon and subscribe to us so that you get the every update about our new tools and new strategies that we bring. So hope you have a very profitable day ahead. Bye for now.